What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to talk about XRP, and specifically, I want to talk about the importance of this day, right? January 20th, and how important it is to look at it and go, all right, are we in a new wave for cryptocurrency, not just by price movement, but by support and acceptance? Are we there? So how important is this day? Let's talk about an XRP price prediction. Let's talk about Gary and everything there. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are actually in the description. And speaking of the description, at the top of it, there's a link for BTCC, which is a platform that I partner with. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus, as well as up to $10,055 worth of extra bonuses and 40% lower trading fees. And you also will be able to leverage trade up to 500x leverage. I don't ever recommend 500x leverage, but if you find an opportunity to do so, I'm not going to tell you not to do it, right? You do what you feel is going to work out best for your strategy when it comes to investing, but make sure you invest sparingly, you invest cautiously, because you have to understand what leverage trading is before you do 100% dive into it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Patreon and we can always talk about it. Now, let's get into what the topic at hand is here today, which is to talk about XRP. And I'm going to actually go back here because I didn't know I was in my portfolio. But we're going to go and look at where the market is, and then we'll dive into XRP as well. So the market is at a good spot, right? It's up 1.44%. We're seeing it at a $3.65 trillion market cap. And, we're looking at an increase in Bitcoin dominance. I want to see a decrease, but we are seeing 57.82% there for the Bitcoin dominance. Scroll down, Bitcoin sitting at 106,000, 107,000 if you round up, Ethereum at 3,200, and then you have, 3,300, and then you see XRP that's sitting at about $3.24. It is up by 4.65% today with $20.2 billion worth of volume and $186 billion market cap. Now, today is pretty significant. Right, and I don't know when this video is going out or when it will come out and what will happen, if things will end up moving a lot further by the time this video even comes out here. But January 20th is important, right? And the reason why I believe that it's important is you have a change in leadership and belief in this space, which would be, Biden versus Trump and his belief that's there. And Biden is really old school. I feel like both of them are really old school, but maybe trying to figure out, one's trying to figure out more or more supportive of crypto, which seems like Trump is more supportive of crypto. Now, does that mean that he's supportive of the right place? I don't know. Maybe we'll talk about that in a little bit. But more supportive nonetheless, right? We even have, if you go on, X and search up, XRP Gary, right? You're going to get the fact that Trump states on day one, I will fire Gary Gensler, which he said it here. Let's see if I can play this real quick.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman.
Which is good, right? Everybody's excited about the fact that, you won't have Gary there, right? His official, Gary's last day was on the 17th. And, now people are saying, hey, we're going to see XRP absolutely skyrocket and everybody's going to get rich, right? Yes, I believe XRP is going to run quite a bit, but not just based on that, right? It's kind of a combination of the two. The issue that I have is, are we looking at somebody that believes in cryptocurrency overall or just believes in the idea of being able to make money from cryptocurrency? That's something that I want to kind of fight against. And the reason why I say this, I wouldn't say this if I didn't have any type of reason. The reason why I say this is because of the launch of the official Trump coin and the official Melania coin. I literally talked about this recently. I was like, I don't think that they're the move. If I was a sitting president, I would be looking for something that has more utility rather than launching something that is a meme coin and put in the meme coin category for CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And not only one, we're talking about two, where you have official Melania and official Trump coins. So that's something that does bother me a little bit. But hopefully with Gary out and his last day being the 17th or whatever it was, and now appointing somebody that will be pro cryptocurrency and pro understanding crypto, that could be big for XRP and many other coins that are out there. So with that being said, XRP price prediction for January 20th. This is coming from coinpedia.org, not me specifically, but coming from here. XRP is still in an uptrend. In a correction phase, that the key is to sustaining the bullish case is holding above the support level. The altcoin has been consolidating just below its all-time high territory, and while the market remains in a mixed phase, the outlook is still positive. At the time of writing, XRP is down in the 310 level, which it's again back up into 320 levels. Support level and short-term outlook. XRP is caught in a period of consolidation hovering just below key resistance levels, particularly the breakout point around $3.40. The support area is clearly defined between $2.52 to $2.94, and as long as this range holds, the bullish bias remains intact. A drop below $2.52, however, would challenge the short-term bullish thesis and may require a revision of market expectations. The market recently surged by 72% after breaking out of a triangle pattern, which was completed on January 13th. However, the price is still below a critical resistance level, and this zone has historically been tough to break through. The all-time high remains a hurdle for XRP, but it is not surprising to see the market consolidate before attempting another push higher. Euphoria in the market is a sign of potential rallies. There's a surge, right, in the market enthusiasm, which could act as a catalyst for a rally in the coming weeks. While euphoria is often seen during the final leg of an uptrend, it is important to remain cautious as blow-off tops can form in such conditions, especially with Bitcoin and other major assets. Key levels to watch for the next upside, right? The next important upside for targets for XRP, if the support level holds are $4.19 or $5. The $4.19 mark represents a smaller Fibonacci extension, while the $5 level is a more significant target. At a decent move above the levels would set stages for further gains and potential new rallies. So they're saying that $4.19 is kind of that level, as well as the $5 mark, right? You have something that's built more by technical analysis and looking at higher support levels and what they're going to be, as well as looking at the $5 level as a significant level. I've always said that significant levels are major, right? When you look at a $3 level, you look at a all-time high level and breaking through that then opens up the door for a significant level, which will be a massive selling point for a lot of people, because from 50 cents to $5, you're literally looking at a 10x there, which is fantastic for everybody that was holding at that 50-cent level, which a lot of people bought around the 50-cent mark. My average was 52. It's not 52 cents anymore because I did buy at a higher level, giving my average at a level of $1.22. But I do have $5 as my first level to take my initial investment, as well as some profit, leaving the rest that is in there. Now, other people can feel the same way. So that's kind of what we look at for the coming days. Does that mean that's going to happen today? I don't know if that necessarily means that we're going to see $5 today. It all depends on the amount of excitement and FOMO that gets into the crypto market, because we've seen nothing but pumps since you had Trump win the election, and now you have maybe a pro a lot of pro-crypto people in the cabinet, a lot of pro-crypto people surrounding him and surrounding the U.S., especially the decision makers, which is a big deal, right? So this is good, right? Gary's going to be out. Trump's going to be in, who's pro-crypto to some extent. Other people that are pro-crypto to some extent. And then being able to try and understand rather than enforce something that you don't know, right? If you're enforcing, laws and actions into crypto which you don't understand, it doesn't make sense, right? Or if you do understand it and you're just trying to fight for a whole nother reason that we don't know about, that's probably not good either, right? So we want people to understand, build something and build onto something because you understand it, right? That's kind of where I stand, at least. Let me know how you feel. But that's the price prediction for XRP. I can tell you what I'm looking for is I'm definitely looking for an all-time high moment if we're talking about today. If we see a major push, today, could be an all-time high moment and finding a way to break through that and possibly seeing that $4.14 level, or hopefully we can see that $5 level, which would be absolutely phenomenal. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link down below for BTCC if you guys are interested. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.